Okay, guys. Welcome again to our channel, Silver Fanatics. Yes, guys. Welcome again, guys. In today's video, guys, we're gonna talk about the shipping, guys. Okay, because we really experience some glitches now and then when it came to shipping, guys. Okay, guys. I will start with the ones that we bought locally, guys. Okay, it was from this company, guys. From Durban, guys. SD Bullion, guys. Okay. Oh, sorry, guys. It's African Bullion, guys. Yes, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Cause we bought from them, guys. Okay, I think 3 coins. Yeah, we bought 3 coins from them, guys. Okay, from those ones, guys, the shipping, guys, was okay, but the thing is, you just follow up too much with them, guys. You buy, you order, they tell you have ordered, guys, and then they don't send you a tracking number or anything. You have to phone again, guys, to tell them, guys, what's happening with my order, and they say, oh, the shipping company didn't send you the track number, guys, and you say no, and then, guys, they send you afterwards, guys, and then you wait for your order and then you receive it, guys. Okay, guys, I don't know, okay, guys, whether they are themselves that I have to send you the tracking number or the shipping company, guys. So
that's more on the comment.
Yeah, guys, I can leave a comment below, guys, to tell us, guys, as we don't know, guys. Okay, all right, and other order, guys, it came from overseas, guys, from a company called SD Bullion, guys. Yes, it came from SD Bullion, guys. We bought. Okay, guys, we bought from them. We placed an order, guys. Okay, couple of coins, guys, plenty of coins, yeah. But I think most of our stacks, around there, most of around, around 12 coins, yes, guys. I think 12 coins, Okay, most of our staking coin came from there, guys. All right, and then we placed the order and with them, guys, and we paid, and they told us, guys, we must send a verification because of security. Okay, we emailed our detail to them, our license, just to verify, and our phone numbers and address, guys. Okay, and then they told us, no, it's fine. Okay, and then they're gonna ship the package to South Africa to us, guys. Okay, and then they sent us a track number immediately, guys, after that. Okay, and then we started tracking our package. Okay, we saw it leaving and going to Dubai, and then going from Dubai to South Africa, guys, Pretoria, and then that's where our package just stuck. It was headed for long there, guys. Okay, the company that we were using to ship from overseas, from SW, it was UPS, guys. Okay, that was the company that was delivering to us here in South Africa. Okay, on the story of this site, guys. Okay, it stood there in the facility, guys, in Pretoria, guys. It just was held there for about, I think, almost 2 to 3 weeks, guys. With no progress. You phone them, you find out, they say it's been held by the agent. You see that on the tracking, the status changing. It's held. It's in a warehouse. It's written held. It's in the warehouse. It's written like it's released by an agent. It's written like it's been held by an agent. Whole lot of things, guys. The status kept on changing in that direction. You phone them, you send them an email, guys. Yes, and then after that, it was written, okay, it's waiting for customs and taxes, guys. Okay, and then they phoned, and then we paid the customs, guys, and taxes, guys. Okay, all right, guys. All right, then after that, it waited again. It written held, guys, and I found them. We've already paid, guys. Why is it still held? They didn't reply. They said it's agent, government agency holding it. Okay, we waited up until I don't remember actually the day, guys. Okay, because we're starting to get irritated and getting upset. Okay, at that time we weren't expecting the. Okay, they phoned us in the morning that the order is here in Durban, it's gonna be delivered. Okay, and we're excited. We waited. Okay, about a couple of hours, and then we saw the status changed to delivered. Okay, and then a guy called me. I think the guy that sent them to my address, guys. He called me and said, so and so. I said yes, I'm available. He told me, okay, within an hour now, I'm gonna deliver the stuff to you, guy. Okay, I said, okay, thanks, and I waited. Then we eventually got the package, guys. But when we received the package, guys, I don't know what was happening with the package. It looked like it was being opened and closed and opened. I think the coins were touched by the customs, guys. I don't know, because I don't believe SD Bullion sent those coins in that condition, because
you will see the coin that I knew. It's just that they'd been held roughly during that short period of time.
Yes, at custom, guys. You saw we seen that at custom, guys. They were not handling our merchant, our product in a proper manner, guys. I were really upset about that, and you saw the package, how it was wrapped. It was wrapped like, it's something not of value, something just cheap, guys. I was very upset with that, guys. Yeah, so we just said we just do a video, guys, to speak about that. Okay, I don't know whether the South African government, guys, is trying for us not to order anything from overseas, because the way they're doing things, it's really inappropriate. It's really inappropriate.
You don't want to go
guys.
back to that process again.
Now the process of ordering SD Bullion, guys, I don't see it happening anytime soon, guys, because of the shipping and the experience we encountered, guys. We were really not happy. So I don't know. I really don't know. Just because of the shipping, buying and everything was smooth. It's just the shipping that we encountered glitches and problems. Okay, yeah, we just wanted to update on that one. Yeah, we wanted to buy more coins overseas, guys, because they have a variety, guys. This side we don't have much of the coins. We just have those few, but not so plenty to choose from, guys. Yes, guys. Just an advice, guys, where we in South Africa we can get a variety of coins, guys, as we are still new in the staking game, guys. Just an advice on a comment below. Yes, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and hit or smash that like that alarm button, guys. Okay, all right, guys.
Thank you.